Today, I'll be showing you one of the best and easiest ways to cook egusi soup with no frying at all. This recipe gives you a beautiful cakey texture and full flavor. This is by far my best egusi recipe, and today I'm sharing the secret with you. Hello, good morning, and welcome back to my channel. Please make sure to watch till the end and give this video a thumbs up. Comment and subscribe if you haven't already. Alright, let's get started. Here are the ingredients we'll be using for today's recipe. The first ingredient on the list is beef. Red oil, ground crayfish, ground Uziza. I will be using the seeds, but you can also use Uziza leaves if you prefer. Seasoning cubes, not forgetting our already washed and cleaned stockfish. Our habanero pepper, washed and deboned smoked fish. For vegetables, I will be using spinach. Because spinach contains a lot of water, I always blanch it first. That gives the soup a better texture. Cut into sizable pieces. If you don't blanch your spinach, it can make your soup watery and affect the texture and presentation. Once blanched, it behaves just like pumpkin leaves. Those of us living abroad know it's hard to find ugu, so spinach is a great alternative. You can also use oha or bitter leaf if that's what you prefer. Keep watching to see how I blanch spinach and keep it fresh and green. Next, let's cook the meat. Add your beef into a clean pot. Add your seasoning cubes. Am I the only one who doesn't use onions in most of my soups except vegetable soup? Do you add onions when cooking egusi soup? Please share your thoughts in the comments. Add salt to taste. Then stir very well so the seasoning marinates into the meat. Add a small amount of water. Cover the pot and cook until the beef becomes tender. Once the beef is cooked, add your smoked fish and stockfish. These don't take long to soften, which is why we add them after the beef is tender. Stir very well. Add a bit more water if needed. Cover and allow to cook for a few more minutes. Now let's prepare the egusi mixture. Put the quantity of egusi you will need into a bowl. Add your salt, but make sure it's not too much, and a small amount of water. Mix it well using your spatula. Then use your pestle to pound the mixture slightly. This helps grind the egusi more finely and gives it that nice cakey texture after cooking. Once you notice some oil forming on the pestle, set the egusi mixture aside. Now let's go back to our pot of cooked beef and fish. Add a little water. This helps the oil blend smoothly. Then pour in your red palm oil. Stir very well to combine. Cover and let it come to a gentle boil. Once the oil and broth mix nicely, start adding the egusi mixture gradually, just the way you see in the video. Add it gently. We are not trying to form large lumps, just to cook it evenly and achieve a nice texture. After adding the egusi, add your ground uziza immediately. Cover the pot and allow it cook for at least 15 to 18 minutes on low to medium heat. This helps the egusi to absorb the flavors and set into that rich cakey flavor we love. Add your habanero pepper and ground crayfish. Mix everything very well. Taste and add a bit more salt or seasoning cubes if needed. You can also add more water if you notice your soup is too thick. Cover again and allow it to cook for a few more minutes. Next, add your blanched spinach. Stir gently until everything is well combined. If the soup is too thick, add a bit more water until you reach your desired consistency. If you prefer it thick, you can leave it as it is. Remember not to overcook your vegetables. You want them to stay fresh and green. Stir very well to combine. Add more salt if needed. I personally do not like my egusi soup too thick, so you'll see me adding more water to lighten up the texture. Cover the soup for a few more minutes. And that's it. Our simple no-fry egusi is ready. Look at that rich color and beautiful texture. Serve it hot with semolina, pounded yam, eba or fufu, whichever you love best. Tell us in the comments what's your favorite swallow for egusi soup. Our soup came out perfectly delicious and the aroma in my kitchen is absolutely irresistible. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment and subscribe for more delicious recipes. But before I go, let me show you a short tutorial on how best to blanch your spinach to retain its natural green color. For this tutorial, I am using 500 grams of spinach. Start by washing the spinach thoroughly with a little salt. This helps to remove any germs or dirt. Once you're done washing, transfer the leaves into a clean bowl. Sprinkle a bit more salt over the washed spinach, then pour in hot boiling water. Make sure the water completely covers the leaves. Use a spatula or spoon to gently press the spinach down so every part is soaked in the hot water. Let it sit for a short while, about 30 seconds to 1 minute, just until the leaves soften slightly. Next, drain out the hot water immediately and add cold water to stop the cooking process. You are adding the cold water immediately because if you don't, the spinach will turn brown. Rinse well, then squeeze out the excess water. And there you have it. Your spinach is perfectly blanched. It now has a better texture, has retained its bright green color, and will look much better in any soup or dish you prepare. Thank you to all my amazing subscribers for always engaging on my posts. I truly appreciate your support. I hope you're having a wonderful week, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.